Hey guys, Tech Commenter with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync your iPhone and iPad so that all of your photos, videos, contacts, notes from your iPhone and your iPad are synced together to make things easier for you. So these are a couple things you need to do in order for that sync to happen. So first thing you need to do is ensure that the Apple ID that's signed into your iPhone is the same one that's signed into your iPad as well. And the reason why that is because it's going to sync through your iCloud account. So you need to have the same account signed in. And once your same account is signed in, you want to go ahead and click on, let's say on your phone here, iCloud, and you need to ensure that it is turned on. And you need to ensure that things like photos, all the things that you want syncing between your devices are turned on. So you can click on show all and you can see all the things that you want to sync. For example, photos, right? You want to sync that. Things like contacts, right? You want to, whatever is turned on here, right? If something is turned off, you can click on it to turn it on. It will also sync with your iPad from this thing. Same exact thing on your iPad as well. You click on iCloud and then click on show all and ensure the same settings are turned on. So let's say if maybe your photos and videos aren't syncing, you need to ensure that they're turned on. Maybe you want to sync your messages and you want to turn that on as well. Contacts, same exact thing, and it will also sync all of that for you just like that. It's really just simple as that. And other things like books, even like a calendar, right? If you want to sync that, just turn those settings on your both of your devices. Now another thing you want to do on your iPhone is going to be this setting called handoff, which allows you to start something on either of the devices and then switch over to another device seamlessly. In order to do that is in the settings here, you're going to go to general, and then from there on you're going to go to AirPlay and handoff and ensure that this toggle handoff is turned on, which allows you to start something on one device and instantly pick it up another device. Same exact thing in the settings here. Go to AirPlay and handoff. We want to ensure those things are turned on. The next thing you want to check out if it's not syncing right away is that you're using the same Wi-Fi network. For some things, if it's not using the same Wi-Fi network, it's not going to work. So if you have maybe cellular data on instead of Wi-Fi on either of the devices, you need to reconnect them so that they're using the same Wi-Fi so the sync happens across the devices. And lastly, you also want to check out the date and the time is correct on both devices. So if they're not matching, it will not work. So in the settings, general, under date and time, you're going to set automatically, but basically your time zone should be the same exact thing on your iPad. Go to settings, general, date and time, and they should match up top here. You can see as well the date and time. And as those are all on, it will start syncing everything between your devices and make things lot more smoother for you. So that's how you sync your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.